Hi, welcome to the tutorial video by the car consultants for the VAG 1551 diagnostic machine. That's the main dealer diag used by VW, IDC and Skoda. For this particular video we're going to do the measured value blocks and how to use them effectively in diagnosis. For this particular example I'm going to go into the ABS control unit and measure the readouts from the wheel speed sensors, which is a good way of diagnosing if you have a faulty sensor or not. So this is plugged into a 2001 model year VW Polo 6N2. That's the facelift of the 6N model Polo. So first things first, for this, ignition on and start the engine. The diagnostic port on this particular model is down underneath where the ashtray is, so we're plugged into there. And we're going to select function 1. We're going to put in address word 03, which is for the ABS brake electronics. Q to confirm. Tester sends address word 03. Please wait. And we have the usual information we get when we plug this machine in. We've got the part number of the ABS control unit, quite useful. The coding, obviously the fact that it's the ABS control unit. And we have the workshop service code and the fact that this is CAN protocol on this one. Forward arrow in the top corner, forward arrow to continue. Select the function. Function we want to use on this one is the measured value blocks, which are in 08. Q to confirm, and we put in the measured value block group. On this case, 001 will take us into the ABS wheel speed sensors. Q to confirm. So we've got 4 blocks here in the measured values. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Working across, we've got the right hand front wheel, right hand rear wheel, left hand front wheel, left hand rear wheel. And what we'll do, pop it in the gear, drive along slowly, and they should all go up uniformly as we drive along. So as you can see, I'm just crawling along at 5 kilometers an hour. They're all going up and they're decreasing as we come to a stop. Pop it into reverse. I'll just move that so you can see it nicely. All moving nice and uniformly together. Coming to a stop. Forward one more time. Now what we'd see, as if we had a faulty one, say for example the right hand front one was faulty, that would stay on 0 whilst all the others went up. If you had one with a tolerance issue, say for example if it was just slightly too far away from the reluctor ring, you might get one at a different speed to the others. But either way, if you got one, they may be sort of 1 kilometer out, it's sort of tolerance you get there. Anything more than a couple of kilometers out in different speed on one of the sensors, you've got an issue. Or if one stays on 0, you've obviously got an issue. Potentially with 0 you've got an open circuit or a faulty sensor there. If it's just the difference in speed, it could be down to something like the placement of the sensor. Could be got a bit of rust on the reluctor ring or something like that. So there we have it. That's how you can use the measured value blocks effectively to diagnose, in this case, an ABS wheel speed sensor. Function 06 to end the app.